Hey there, I'm Leah from seejanedrill, and I've got something really exciting to share with you today. If you've ever wanted to feel more confident fixing things around your home, this is your moment. Introducing the seejanedrill 30-day challenge, a hands-on, empowering journey where you're going to build real-world skills in just 1 month. No fluff, folks, just results. Here's how it works. You'll get skill-building lessons that walk you step by step through real home repairs. You know, the kind that save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Now, week 1, we're going to start simple with basic tools and how to patch holes in drywall and even plaster walls. Week 2, it's toilet time. Toilet tune-up and a full toilet install. And yes, you can do it. Week 3, we jump into the basics of electrical. You'll learn to replace a receptacle and a light switch. And then, well, folks, there's week 4. We finish strong with replacing a light fixture and installing a faucet, because we're not messing around. By the end, you'll be able to patch drywall, install a faucet, replace a toilet, swap out a switch or an outlet, install lighting fixtures, and so much more. Now, here are some of the things some of my students have said. Never thought I'd be doing electrical work on my own, but Leah made it so easy, I feel empowered. I patched a wall for the first time. It looked like a pro did it, and I'm a pro now. One of my other students said, this challenge was the best investment I've ever made in myself in years. This challenge is perfect if you're a homeowner, a renter, or even just someone who's tired of waiting and paying for someone else to fix what you could learn to do yourself.
Look what I did, all by myself.
And now, as a bonus, you'll get access to the entire seejanedrill course, plus access to our private online community, live monthly Zoom calls where I answer your questions directly, and step-by-step video instructions you can follow at your own pace, and then lifetime access to those lessons. And right now, for a limited time, we're offering 40% off the full challenge. That's right, 40% off, but only for a few days. So don't wait. When the timer hits 0, so does the discount. And don't worry, there's zero risk, really. If you're not absolutely satisfied with what we're offering, we're going to give you your money back, 100% of it, with a 14-day no-hassle guarantee. So what are you waiting for? I want you to click the Join Now button below and take the first step toward becoming fearless in your own home. I'll be with you every step of the way. You can do this. Join the 30-day seejanedrill challenge and do it now.